Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will take a look at how to use the Avada Honeypot Field Element. By the end of the video, you'll understand what a honeypot field is and how to add it to a form to combat bots. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's dive in. The Avada Honeypot Field Element is a security element you can add to your Avada Forms. A honeypot is a field added to the form that users can't see due to CSS or JavaScript, which hides the field. So basically, if a spam bot fills in a field that valid users can't see, this alerts us to their activity. So if the honeypot field is filled in, we can confidently reject the form as spam, and the submit button is not displayed on the form, stopping submission. I'll just add one to the bottom of this form here. There are only 3 options with the honeypot field element, and in fact you don't need to configure any of them. The first is field name, and this is populated when the element is added. You can rename it if you want, but if you do, use only lowercase alphanumeric characters, dashes, and underscores. Then there are the CSS class and CSS ID options for further customization with CSS if you need a unique look or behavior. Okay, that's it. As mentioned above, if a spam bot fills this field out, then the submit button is removed, not allowing submission of the form. Honeypot field, gotcha. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.